Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because my Clionadh order is here. This is the second time that I've been ordering from Clionadh, and I have to say their packing of everything is so like on point that it's just on point. Like, I have no fear that anything in here is broken because their packing is so ridiculous. There's no way it's broken. But I'm so excited to get into this and show you guys everything that I got. They did include an invoice for me, which is good. If you've never ordered from Clionadh, all the shades will come bundled in these like little footballs, and they'll usually be like 3 or 4 shadows in each one of these, and then they just give you as many as you need to like get your whole order in, right? Let me go ahead and unwrap all these, and then I'm going to be right back with you. Okay, you guys, and I opened everything up and put it into this palette. These are the shades that I just bought to add to my collection. So I bought 6 more of the glitter multichromes, translucency, well, let me just read them all. Spotlight, translucency, kaleidoscope, carving, foiling, and corrosion. So that's those 6. And then I picked up this is Courtyard and Lineage. That's from the hybrid multichromes. I have Gilding and Gloaming up here from the iridescent glitter multichromes. This is their new glitter multichrome Regal, which you could only pick up as a single or in a bundle with a bunch of other shadows, and most of that bundle I already had, so I was like, let me just not. And then I picked up a bunch of these shades. So I have Forge, Kiln, Lunette, Spire, what's this one? Rosette, Patina, Gargoyle, and Trefoil. Those are the ones that I picked up there. So let me get these shades, and I want to combine them with the ones that I already had, which I just have in this Makeup Geek palette here. I want to combine them all together and then show you guys what this looks like, because I think it's going to be so pretty. Okay, you guys, and this is the final palette. This is all of my Clionadh shadows with the exception of these 2 round ones. Those are actually JD Glow shadows, but they are multi-chrome, so I'm not sure where else to store them, so they ended up in this palette. So let me just walk you through quickly what I have here. These 4 up here are the pastel multichromes. These are probably my least favorite of the different like subcategories of multichromes that Clionadh offers, because I just don't think they have enough color payoff to be like a standalone like wow shadow on the lid, and I feel like they get lost otherwise, so they're kind of okay. These are some of the hybrid multichromes. These 2 are the iridescent glitter multichromes. These are the glitter multichromes, which you can see is obviously my favorite finish. I have some of the jeweled multichromes here, and then these are all of the vibrant multichromes. And I'm so excited to have my collection be this complete. Like, this is not anywhere near all of the shadows. There's tons more, but I feel like this is a really good collection for me. And I don't know if you see this in different lighting. I'm not sure if you're going to capture, I really don't think you're going to capture the full beauty of these colors. But I think what I'm going to try to do is like a little swatch video for you guys so that I can swatch out all of these colors and you can see kind of what they look like. And at some point I would love to do like a little buyer's guide as to like my top picks, but that video is going to be a while in the making. So for now, I hope you can at least enjoy how pretty this looks, because oh my gosh, I'm in love with these shadows. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this video was a little bit of a quick one, and I'm going to catch you in my next video. Bye!